Hey everybody, it's kind of an overcast day up here in the UP. Still have plenty of snow on the ground, but I'm gonna go ahead and get some work done on the 3B project. So here we go, a little bit of steam cleaning, power washing, and painting. In my last video, I talked about using the power washer, steam cleaner / sandblaster to take care of this chassis. I was really looking forward to it, but if you noticed in the beginning of this video, some of that didn't happen. So the sandblasting didn't happen at all, and I had some trouble with the nozzles and for the even for the steam cleaner. So although it's pretty well power washed and degreased, it's not perfect. So today I'm going to go ahead and take a wire cup and a couple different wire wheels, put them in the grinder and the drill, and see if I can get it cleaned up. So here is the result of all that grinding and wire wheeling. It looks pretty decent. I do not like doing this. To me, that wire wheel, it just throws all the little wires out. You end up getting little pricks here and there. So not a big fan of it. I didn't do anything with the front bumper because the front bumper's got to come off, get straightened out. I did though find a few things that need to be fixed up. You can see that weld right there. I'm going to grind some of that down and get that laid back in nicely. And then back here in the back, I also found that big crack. There was a little repair here that needs to be done too. So I'm going to go ahead while I'm letting this thing dry off. I took some degreaser to it and some brake clean just to kind of wash anything off after the other. I've rinsed it a few times. You can see the floor is kind of cleaned up a little bit around the shop. So I'm going to go ahead and get on this, get this welded up. Hopefully it'll be dry by the time I'm done welding. If not, by the magic of video, it will be dry and I'll start painting. That one welded up surprisingly good. I just got to clean it up just a little bit. Same with these two little spots. They look a little boogery, but I just stacked some welds on top of welds, and then I'm going to grind it back off, just kind of smooth it out just a little bit so that it looks decent and good and strong. Up front here, let's see. So that weld came out pretty good. It went all the way down and around to where everything looked pretty good. And then while I was doing that one, I did come across that this side was cracked too. I thought there was one more spot that I had found, but so there, the frame is all welded up. Now it's time to let it dry the rest of the way. And one more kind of light cleaning, a wipe down, and then I'm gonna start painting. I have two different products. You've seen me use the Skyco in one of my other videos, Ashpo, and that stuff worked pretty good. Seal, it was in all my chemicals, and I don't remember using it, but it's also a rust converting metal primer. So, which one to use? Well, let's go ahead and we will do heads or tails. There's tails, there's heads. I don't have any change with me. So, heads we use Seal. Alright, well, we use Skyco. So, next time, Seal. So after all the hard work, I think it paid off. The frame looks great. Me and my brother Ted have had many conversations on chassis color, and boy, you just cannot beat satin black. Satin just really makes a frame look, I'm telling you, just beautiful. So I am real happy with the outcome of this project, and we'll be moving into the next one, which is going to be more cleaning and painting on the engine. So check out that video, and hey guys, thanks everyone for watching.